Hello, and I want to welcome you to Mountain Floral Gifts. Mountain Floral Gifts is a cut flower farm, and it is also a dried flower farm. And how we got our name is because we are in the mountains. So we are in Pennsylvania, and as I showed you, we are in the mountains. And we produce all of our own flowers. We do not import any of our flowers. We produce all of our own. So flower farming is a passion of mine. I've been growing flowers for over 20 years now, and I've been flower farming for over 6 years. So you can see here I have some beautiful peonies. We have some dahlias. So we'll show you a little bit of the flower farm here. And we grow a wide range of different types of flowers here on the flower farm. Please come check out our website. We'll have links down in the description for our website, and you can follow us on Facebook, and you can also follow us on Instagram. And we'll be posting different videos throughout the growing season. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!